Hello and welcome to this workshop on storage solutions. This workshop is presented by the Technology Access Program or TAP, which is part of Somerville-Cambridge Elder Services. So we're going to talk about storing data on the cloud and other storage solutions. The cloud is basically a place where you can back up data, and basically you want to think of it as a series of computer hard drives where everything is backed up to. The cloud has a couple of different options. You have Apple's version of the cloud, which is apple.com/iCloud, and there's the Google version, which is google.com/drive. Pros of the cloud. Well, data is stored offsite for easy retrieval, and that's nice. Cons of the cloud. Data security can be compromised because things are on the cloud, and you can lose access to your data if you stop paying for the service. Be aware that all cloud services charge you after you hit a data limit. There are definitely free periods and free amounts of data, but be ready to pay if you need to go over the data limit. And the services will remind you a lot. In most cases, they'll remind you long before you run out of space. Now, another option for backing up your data is external hard drives. The the advantage of an external hard drive is that data retrieval is very easy. You've got it right there. You don't have to worry about data being compromised. And you have to buy a storage solution. Of course, there are drawbacks with those, which we'll discuss. Now, an external hard drive that's best for general storage needs is a Western Digital My Passport. Its capacity is available from anywhere from 1 terabyte to 5 terabytes. It has a USB interface, and it's affordable. It has a good balance of speed and storage. It's compact, and it includes backup software for easy use. And it's best for everyday storage of files, photos, and videos. A budget-friendly option is Toshiba's Canvio Basics, which is available in 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, or 4 terabytes. And it's affordable, basic design. It's straightforward, plug and play, reliable brand, and it's best for budget conscious users that need to reliable external storage without additional features. Now, there are a couple of different hard drive types. There's SSD, which stands for solid state drive, and that's a type of computer storage device that uses what's called flash memory to store data. And SSDs are a newer technology that use integrated circuits to store data, and they're actually known to be far more reliable than a standard type. Benefits: the SSD is faster, smaller, and it's quieter than an HDD, which we'll discuss later. And they're more reliable, they're more durable because they have less moving parts, they are more energy efficient, which can improve battery life on laptops and tablets, and they're shock resistant. SSDs are far more resistant to shock than the other types. Now, HDD, that's kind of a traditional type. It's a hard disk drive, storage device for computers that store in spinning disks. The HDDs use a mechanical arm to read and write data that moves across spinning disks. The advantage of the HDD is it's cost effective, but they are vulnerable to damage. HDDs are vulnerable to damage because they have many moving parts. If an HDD is damaged, it may be possible to retrieve the data, but can be complicated and expensive. Additional factors to consider: portability versus desktop storage. Smaller drives are best for travel, while larger power desktop drives offer higher capacities and speed needs. The SSD drives, as we were talking about earlier, they're faster, but they are more expensive. And backup features. Drives like the WD My Passport offer built-in backup software, while other external drives, allow remote backup capabilities. Additional factors to consider: compatibility. Ensure compatibility with your operating system. If you're using a Mac, make sure you have one that's Mac compatible. If you're using a PC, make sure you have one that's PC compatible. Whether you decide to back up to the cloud or an external drive, I recommend backing up often. Don't fall victim to not having backed up your data and then something goes wrong. Back up often. And thank you for your time. I hope you got something out of this workshop. And remember that we're here to help. Somerville-Cambridge Elder Services is here to help you. If you need assistance, please call us at 617-628-2601, or you can email us at info@eldercare.org, or you can find us online at eldercare.org. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.